Hello, my name is Kylie and welcome to Words About Maps and Globes. In this video, you will learn 9 geography words. These important words help us learn how to find places on our planet. Are you ready to take these words for a spin? Let's go! It's always hard to get these unfolded. Erg. Oh well. There's always a map on my phone. Finding our way around is very important. We live on a very big planet, but it can be very challenging getting around in the neighborhood where you live. Learning about where places are, the people that live there, and the types of land and water that are there is called geography. Geography can be a tricky word to learn and say, but you will see it a lot in your future learning adventures. Let's spell the word geography together. Geography. Geography. Now let's break it up into parts to make it easier to say. Look at the first 3 letters. G-E-O. Say G-A. Next, there is a word hiding out. I wonder if you see it. It is the word graph. The PH sounds like F. Say graph. The ending Y sounds like the long letter E. E. Again, that is geography. Geography. Great, you've learned a really important and an impressive word. Maps are one tool used in geography. Let's spell map together. M-A-P. Map. Maps can be found on walls, in books, and even on the computer. Maps are flat. Spell flat with me. F-L-A-T. Flat. Great! Flat maps are useful because they can show the whole world at once, just one country, or even just a tiny part of it, like your neighborhood. Maps can be rolled up so they don't take up a lot of space. Folded up like this one can help us learn about all the different places. We know, though, that the Earth isn't flat. Spell Earth with me. Capital E-A-R-T-H, Earth. Do you know what I know about the letter E? It has to be capital for our Earth because it is the name of our planet. In order to show our Earth as the shape it really is, we can also use a special type of map called a globe. Let's spell globe together. G-L-O-B-E, globe. Have you ever seen a globe? They are round like a ball and are usually on a stand that lets you spin them around to see all the different parts. Our Earth is a sphere. A sphere is a 3D shape like a ball. Spell sphere with me. S-P-H-E-R-E, sphere. It can be a tricky word to remember because the PH sounds like the letter F. On both maps and globes, you can see where there is land and where there is water. Spell land with me. L-A-N-D, land. Land is where we live. A lot of maps and globes show the land as either brown or green. Let's spell water together. W-A-T-E-R, water. Our Earth is made up of mostly water. Look at all that blue. Many places are listed on maps and globes. I have a friend who lives in the country of Japan. On this map, hometown of Yamagata is marked. Spell places with me. P-L-A-C-E-S, places. Wow, you've learned so many important words about how to find places. Let's review all the words we've learned. Geography, map, flat, earth, globe, sphere, land, water, and places. It's very exciting to learn words that can help you learn about our whole world. Now that you know them, try and use them when you see a map or a globe. Or use them when talking about traveling places, even if it is just a trip to the store. You can practice these words and more using our fun online games and quizzes. Until next time, remember to always be clever.